Hi everybody. Today we have a box from Lara Farms from Julian. That's his farm and he sells fruit online, so I just wanted to go over fruit I bought here. And we got an egg fruit right here, Canistel, which I really like. It's got the texture like an egg yolk, kind of like a hard-boiled. So, but I like the taste of it. It's one of the fruits I like. So anyway, we're gonna unpackage it. Look at that. Nice. Go. Ready to eat right here. They get a little soft, you're ready to eat them. And got 7 of them right here. Now one thing about the Canistel. So if you want to plant, which I've never planted one from seeds, but if you want to plant one from seed, I've read that it takes 3 to 6 years and it'll start fruiting. It's obviously some variables, you know, like anything else. But you have to get the seeds like within the first couple weeks and put them already, you know, in your container or in the soil, wherever you're going to put it. Otherwise, they won't germinate. So you have to do it quick after you get the fruit. And I think it'll take a while to germinate. It might take months to germinate, but just leave it there and keep watering it, and eventually it will. And well, at this point now, I'll go ahead and cut a fruit for you, and you'll see what it looks like inside. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and very good. Like I said, it almost feels like a little bit like an egg yolk, like a hard-boiled egg, the yolk of it, but it's very good. It tastes very good. I mean, it's hard to describe the taste. I've heard some people say it's like a pumpkin or sweet potato or something like that. You know, I'm not sure. Sweet. It's really good. It's really good. That might be something like that, you know, close to that taste, but I'm not really. Okay, well, I'll keep enjoying this. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link below to Lara Farms, so you can get your fruits there. Alright, I'll keep eating this then. God bless.